Hi, my name is Gushuliak, and I'm a registered psychologist here at Kells Counselling. I've worked with individuals and families for over 25 years, and I think that my enjoyment of working with people and a diverse population actually stems from my experiences traveling overseas. As a child, I was born in Winnipeg, Manitoba, but I grew up in Papua New Guinea. And having had experiences of traveling extensively, I came to understand one truth that informs my practice. And that is that relationships are fundamental to the health and well-being of individuals, couples, and families, and their communities. So when it comes to a specific therapeutic approach, I really like to get to know you when you come in. And depending on if you're coming in as a child or individual or couple or family, I will look at working with you to get to know you and tailor therapy to your specific needs. And then looking at your personality and evidence-based approaches that are going to work best based on those presenting issues you're coming into counseling with. So I will often use cognitive behavioral therapy, dialectical behavior therapy. I also have extensive training in expressive arts therapy. So I will sometimes work with individuals, including adults, doing art therapy, music therapy, or even play therapy, such as using sound train or even dance. And I also really enjoy working with individuals who have experienced traumatic stress or trauma, or who may even be living with post-traumatic stress disorder. And in those instances, I'm going to be utilizing EMDR, so eye movement desensitization and reprocessing. So when you're coming in for counseling, know that it is absolutely okay and even encouraged to be able to ask questions of your psychologist. So if you're wondering what their education, training, or background or area of expertise is, feel free to ask that. Some clients also wonder if when they're coming in for information on parent coaching or issues regarding their child, you might want to ask if your psychologist has children of their own. And that's absolutely okay, because that's pertaining to you coming and trying to figure out if it's going to be the best fit between you and your psychologist. You can also ask if your therapist is married, because perhaps that is important to you. Some people like to know about an individual's faith or background, because sometimes people like to have similar or even different beliefs than their psychologist. And it's absolutely okay to ask these questions. I think oftentimes when we come in for counseling, we think, okay, I just have to come in and just start talking and know what I'm supposed to say. But part of getting comfortable with your psychologist is getting to know them a little bit in a professional way and feeling free to ask certain questions that might help you to feel more comfortable.